Rain-damaged concrete surface repair. Let's go through the important details. Starting with rain-damaged concrete surface repair. If it's just rough, grind it. If it's dusting, apply a densifier. If pitted, resurface with overlay. Additionally, quick answer: don't pour concrete if rain is expected within 4 to 6 hours. Rain dilutes surface cement, causing scaling and weak spots. Cover fresh concrete if rain threatens. Regarding help. It rained on my fresh concrete. One of the biggest fears for any concrete contractor and homeowner is a sudden, unpredicted rainstorm during a pour. Rain on fresh concrete can wash away the cream, the cement paste, leaving the surface rough, weak, and pitted. But before you panic, know that there are levels to rain damage, and most of them can be fixed without a full tear-out. On level 1, minor surface roughness. If the rain was light and occurred after the concrete had already begun to set, you might just have a slightly rough, sandy texture. The surface might look exposed aggregate when you wanted it smooth. Additionally, the fix: once the concrete is fully cured, at least 7 to 14 days, a professional can perform a light diamond grinding. This removes the top fraction of a millimeter of the rough surface, revealing the solid concrete underneath. You'll be left with a smooth, salt and pepper finish that looks intentional and clean. Moving to level 2, surface dusting or chalking. If the rain was heavy enough to dilute the top layer but didn't wash it away, you might end up with dusting. This is when the surface of the concrete is soft and turns to white powder when you walk on it or sweep it. This happens because the water-to-cement ratio on the surface was ruined by the rain, leaving the top layer extremely weak. Additionally, the fix: apply a chemical densifier, like lithium or sodium silicate. These chemicals soak into the pores and react with the free lime in the concrete to create a harder, more crystalline structure. It essentially petrifies the soft surface, making it hard and stop dusting. Next, level 3, pitting and deep erosion. This is the most severe damage, where the rain has created actual holes or craters in the surface. Grinding won't fix this because you'd have to remove too much material. Additionally, the fix: a polymer-modified overlay. This is a high-strength, thin-set concrete material that is designed to bond to existing concrete. We grind the damaged surface to create a profile, apply a bonding agent, and then squeegee on a new 1/8 to 1/4 inch layer of specialized concrete. This gives you a brand new surface that is often stronger than the original. And that's what you need to know.